Divide 4,067. Did I say that right? Divided by 8. Now, in order to find out how many times 8 goes into 4,067, you're going to see how many times 8 goes into each one digit by digit. Does 8 go into 4? No. Does 8 go into 40? Yes. How many times? Exactly 5 times. Now we take 5 and multiply it to 8. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract the numbers, and 40 minus 40 is 0. How nice. Now drop down the next number and repeat the process. How many times does 8 go into 6? Well, it doesn't. So we're going to put a 0 right there and then drop down the next number, which is 67. How many times does 8 go into 67? Well, it's not perfect, but 8 goes into 67 8 times because 8 times 8 is 64, which is a little bit less than 67. Now we subtract, and we get 67 minus 64, which is 3. Now there's no more numbers to drop down, which means that 3 is your remainder. So we will put remainder 3 up here. So 4,067 divided by 8 is 508, remainder 3.